to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 19, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So, we're going to start out in the hallway with the Simplex 425120. We have the junction box still. We have the SpectraAlert Classic remote horn. My ESC Genesis speaker strobe on strobe only. My Genesis remote strobe. My HR, same General Electric smoke and heat, just falling off the wall there, and same Firelight BG12. Right in here, we got the P2R with the custom Spanish lettering on it, 2151, Kitty 278B, and the System Sensor L series still. So, I think we're gonna try. We're gonna start with the Kitty pole station. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go pull the Firelight BG12. I'm just gonna make sure that one's reset. Yep. Alright, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Okay, so I got a comment on the last video that was like, this is required a system test. Well, this one's pretty loud, so yeah. Alright, let's do the 425120. Alright, so let's reset the system. Alright, so I think that's everything I have to show for today. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Do all that if you want to. I'm not forcing you to. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.